No opening bit today, just fountain. I love water. In certain ways, like aquariums. I really like aquariums. But like being underwater, I'll pass. Another water-related thing that I like is fountains. That's what we're going to be trying to build today. So the plan for the fountain is to use this old pool. I'll repaint the pool and then fill it with water. After that, I'll just surround the pool with rocks, and for the actual fountain mechanism, I'll just 3D print like a thing to catch all the water, and then, I don't know, just buy like an aquarium pump. That'll probably work. Alright, to start off this project I had to grab the pool and give it a good wash. But before I could wash it I had to fight this frog for the water. After losing the fight and getting the water out of pity, I could start cleaning the pool with a sock because I forgot a rag. Then I rinsed off all the soap and found a hole in the bottom. Just what I wanted. After it dried, I moved on to painting. Here's a tip if you're going to follow along. Make sure to breathe in as much of the vapor as possible to really understand and get a feel for the paint. Also, if you want your fountain to hold water, you're going to have to fix the hole. Once the paint had dried and the glue had cooled off, I moved to the pool where I would be building the rest of the fountain. Then it was on to rocks. There's nothing really to explain here, I was just moving rocks. And after the rocks were done, it was time to build the actual fountain. I wanted a little waterfall, but I also wanted a geyser type thing as well. So I got to work modeling something that would hopefully do that. And I also put in little holes in case I wanted to add irrigation to my garden. I'll probably do that next spring. Anyways, once it was all printed, it was time to assemble it all. And then I had to paint it, and then I put it in the fountain, and it works. There were no problems. So yeah, that's how you build a fountain out of super cheap materials and 3D printed parts. Yeah, so thanks for watching. I hope you have an excellent rest of your day, and go build a fountain. They're super cool.